Greetings. My topic is the emergence of drones in the construction industry. The construction industry is a necessary producer of infrastructure and commercial developments, as well as an employer of millions of skilled and unskilled workers. The construction industry is projected to construct over $1.5 trillion on new projects by 2022 in the United States alone. Often these projects can be disrupted by a number of issues which attract much public attention and cost billions cumulatively. As most of us live in Metro Atlanta, I'm sure we are all familiar with construction projects that go over time and over budget and the consequences for the public. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, may provide a means of improving construction processes to reduce these problems. Drones today are used from everything to delivering packages to producing aerial imagery. Their commercial uses are regulated by the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, under Part 107 of the Title for Aeronautics and Space. The administration mandates that to operate an unmanned aerial system, the pilot must have a remote pilot certificate with a small UAS rating, which requires a basic knowledge of aeronautics as well as regular background checks. The FAA has many regulations that limit drone use for construction sites, including not flying the drones over people not directly involved in the drone's operation, maximum altitude restrictions, and limits on flights to daytime hours. However, the FAA does offer waivers for many of these regulations if the practices can be demonstrated to produce an equivalent level of safety. Drones can be used in the construction industry for several activities. These include flying over construction sites to assess states of construction and working conditions. Drones have been found by an American Society of Civil Engineers study to allow personnel to identify potential issues in advance. In this study, construction personnel were shown both images and videos taken by drones throughout the duration of 4 construction projects. These workers were quickly able to find the issues visible in the media and propose solutions. However, this study also found that workers can be distracted by the UAVs and jeopardize their safety. To address this issue, the study recommends training programs for all workers where drones are to be used. Drones can also be used to enhance worker safety during the use of heavy machinery. The drones can provide the operators with views outside their field of vision and give alerts when danger arises. Other uses of drones can be found in other phases of construction, from design to maintenance. In the first stages of the project, drones can perform the functions of survey crews by collecting millions of points throughout the site, which provide a basis for the final design. This process involves light detection and ranging, or LiDAR. This technology has several advantages over human surveyors. The data these drones collect is assembled much more rapidly than a team of surveyors. Also, the drones can access areas that are nearly impossible to reach by foot. The drawbacks of LiDAR include an inability to reach obscured areas such as the woods. The drones still cannot recreate the accuracy of human surveyors as well. Drones can also play a significant role in building information modeling. These models can produce useful information on structures throughout their design life and promote better decision making on infrastructure projects. Drones provide the data inputs to these systems by performing regularly scheduled sweeps of buildings to inspect numerous aspects of the product's condition. In conclusion, drones present an exciting new development for the construction industry. The current uses for this technology present numerous opportunities to improve construction processes, while only more uses will be developed over time. Human engineers, however, are still essential to using this technology properly and overcoming the shortcomings of these devices.